I bet you weren't expecting me on here. It's because I'm hacking you.
Hey, Dad, where is my computer?
She's right next to me, and I'm gonna piss her off. So I'm trying to play as her effect.
Alright, let's exit out of that.
And say, I'm bored. She just got a new computer for Christmas, and her webcam's better than mine is, so I'm really jealous.
Tell me about it, right?
So go subscribe to her, I guess. And we'll see how that goes.
Dunk it! Dunk it! Dunk it!
Dunk it! Dunk it!
Oh, that's our Duncan brother, Freya.
Dunk it.
Popeyes!